Okay, so I just wanted to make a quick little video because I'm low-key freaking out. I'm really happy. This giant box has something in it that I've wanted for a very long time, and I've loved the look of, the sound of, and the people who associate themselves with the item. And I just want to make a quick little video to kind of log and show how excited and crazy, psyched out I am just to open it and just tell the quick little story of how I came to have the item. Back a few months ago, I was on Instagram and there was a little banner, little ad thing that showed the St. Vincent both double H and triple H guitars that I have loved ever since they came out. I love the look of them. I love the look of them. I love how they play. They're crazy. Some of my favorite artists use it. The lead singer of Crumb and Jack White both use the St. Vincent. And it's a fairly expensive guitar. It's about $2,200 to $2,400 depending on the model you get. And so it was a little giveaway, and I'm like, yeah, sure, I'll buy it. Yeah, sure, I'll go ahead and put my email in or whatever they wanted to do. It can't hurt. So I did, and a couple days ago, I got an email that was like, hey, dude, congratulations, you won it. So I was freaking out. I was losing my mind. I was squealing like a little girl to myself right in this room, and it was crazy. I was like, oh, is this like it's too good to be true, And so here it is. It is a St. Vincent 6-string electric guitar, triple H. So yeah, I just wanted to open it. So here we go. It came with a case, dude. I was I was really hoping. I was like, okay, obviously I'm not gonna care. I'm not gonna be picky and be like, oh, it didn't even come with a case. Like, it's a free like $2,400 guitar, but they threw a case in. Oh my god, dude. Oh, this is so rad. If I can even get this thing out. Oh. I was hoping it'd come with a case. This is so rad. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Shit. And the moment of truth. The moment of truth. It says right here, I don't know if you can see it, Music Man has a St. Vincent thing on it. Ta-da! Oh my god, it's so rad! Oh, it's so cool. There's a thing. There's a packet. Oh, there's a whammy. And it's got extra goodies. There's some instrument polish and stuff. There's a little note. And it just talks about all the stuff. And the guitar and everything. But, oh my god, dude. Here it is. St. Vincent. All in its glory. Oh my god. I'm so happy. I'm so lucky. This just goes to show if there's like a crazy ass contest, you guys are like, oh, I'm not gonna win. Or there's no way I'm gonna win this. Just go for it. And you might just win your dream guitar Sorry, I wasn't even in the frame. Dude. So yeah, here it is. I love it so much. It's my new baby. I haven't had a legit good electric guitar ever, so this is so rad. I can't thank Ernie Ball enough. And yeah, maybe I'll post something of me playing it when I get good at guitar, which I'm not super good at yet. But yeah, cool.